Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and instead of whining and pouting about winter this year, I'm really just trying to embrace it and encourage all the cozy vibes. And something that's been helping me to do that in a major way has been this Greyhoo tabletop fireplace. The instructions that come with this fireplace are really simple and easy to use, and they really ensure the safe operation of it. The fluid that's recommended to use is 70% or 90% alcohol. I personally used 70%. I follow the instructions exactly, and I fill the metal receptacle a quarter of the way full with the alcohol. I used a long barbecue lighter, and I found that the fluid caught fire really quickly. It is no puny little flame that you can barely see, but it's also not this crazy inferno that you would be terrified of. It is really peaceful in the evening for my husband and I to relax together and sit and watch the flame. It really adds to the cozy atmosphere of our living room. I really appreciate that the flame from the 70% alcohol does not create any smoke. This is good news for me because I have really sensitive sinuses, and even smoke from candles can bother them. Even when this fire pit is not in use, I really like the stylish look of it. It has a really interesting geometrical shape, and I really like the light gray color. It also comes with some blue glass beads that add another decorative touch. Even though I don't have an indoor built-in fireplace, I have been getting all the cozy feels from this Greyhoo indoor fire pit. And that's my point of view.